Hello,
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
I'm Dr. Mohan Rajan from Chennai here. Rajan Eye Care.
Sir, we all-
You're able to see me,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
but we are not able to see you.
Uh,
We'll see you soon, sir. We can see you, sir. Welcome, Dr. Mohan.
Hi, Gaurav. Gaurav, good morning, Gaurav.
Dr. Good Mohan, we morning, can
Let
see sir. you also
let
without seeing you.
let me thank Gaurav and the Vinod and entire Uttarakhand Ophthalmic Society for this wonderful opportunity, and it's a great pleasure. You're able to see my external camera or internal camera?
We can see you external camera.
We can now see your internal camera, sir.
See, this is an intermittent cataract, the type 1 intermittent cataract, which I'm going to demonstrate. Hopefully, the punctorexis in this case. So, as you know, this interlenticular pressure is very high in these patients. So, the first incision is the side port. Then I inject Blurex. I put an air bubble because I want to make sure that the Blurex stains the capsule uniformly. So wait for about 30 seconds. Then I'm injecting Coevisc, which is a sodium hyaluronate, which is made by the Appasamy company. So this is an Appasamy session. So basically what I'm trying to demonstrate is a punctorexis followed by a phaco with the Leo mission. We'll talk about the Leo mission little later. You can see the chamber is also a little shallow, very shallow, not a little shallow. You able to see that? Gaurav? Not be able to hear them?
sir, we are able to see you. We are also able to hear you.
Okay, this is a 15-degree tip. Okay, don't use Kelman tip, just use straight tip. 15-degree tip. What I'm doing is I'm going inside. I'm aspirating some viscoelastic. The parameters are 50% continuous phaco power and 300 millimeters vacuum on this peristaltic mission. Don't change. Able to see me? See the video?
Yes.
So what
can
I'm
see
trying to do is, if you
Yes,
go
sir.
tangentially, you will get the Argentina flag sign. I'm trying to tilt the probe vertically towards the anterior vitreous. That's the punch. Able to see the punch? Able to see the punch there?
Yes, Mohan, we can see.
I'm not getting any response from there. That's the reason.
Yes, Dr. Mohan, we can see. Can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear us?
Yes, we can see in the hall, all right.
So you can see that I have made a punch on the anterior capsule, decompress the front as well as the back compartment of the eye of the lens.
चल रहा है ना लाइव सर्जरी देखो.
So this Rex is because I have decompressed. So I'm almost there now. So once you make the punch, it's easier. You can make it any size you want, depending on whatever the lens you're going to put. A gentle hydrodissection, this being an hypermature cataract. So the rexus is fairly good size, centered well. If somebody can show the mission, it'll be fine. Two. That's a Leo, is Leo Galaxy, no? That's a Leo Galaxy mission, which is what I'm using is the world's lightest handpiece, which is the Orbit handpiece, which has got both Ozil as well as the ellipse. One. Just making a small trench. I'm using my chopper, which is the Mohan Rajan chopper, which is made by Appaswamy, the 1.75. You can go bevel up, bevel down, or bevel sideways, whatever you're comfortable with. You can see how my chopper works. It goes all the way down with one single, very little lateral forces. Pulse. This also got the hyper pulse or the micro pulse, and it's got the occlusion micro pulse. Once it's occluding, automatically the micro pulse will start working. It's one feature which is very unique to this mission. And the Orbit handpiece, and also the positive pressure fluidics, which is similar to the active fluidics which is there in the Centurion. The Orbit is a patented technology. You can see the chamber stability. I'm using about 400 millimeters vacuum. Aspiration flow rate of about 45 ml per minute. The chamber stability is so good. Any questions so far? Hello? Somebody can check whether they're able to hear me.
We are able to hear you, sir. We are also able to see, but I believe there are no questions. That's why nobody is responding back, sir.
So that's the epinucleus and some cortex is there. I'm using a coaxial irrigation aspiration, which is a little curved. You can see the tip is a little curved, which enables me to take the subincisional cortex first. Whatever I'm using is everything is made by the Appasamy people, made in India. We have to congratulate the Appasamy for bringing the technology to all of us at a very affordable rate. The machine, the Leo machine is really fantastic machine, very stable. Even for harder cataracts, it works wonderfully well. CP. Just polishing the posterior capsule. A little of the anterior capsule as well. Max, Guru. This is the in-focus lens. I'll just show you the lens. This is the in-focus. Can see that it's got a blue blocker. There's a central zone which is about 1.4 millimeter, and this central zone has got an add of about 3.5 diopter, and it works like an extended depth of focus lens. More importantly, the range of vision is one important thing. Another, because it's not doesn't have any rings, and because of that, the photic phenomenon is less or absolutely nil. We have implanted more than maybe 300, 350 lenses so far without absolutely any problem. And the square edge takes care of the PCO as well. The contrast vision is very good. The range of vision is really fantastic. In-focus is also a patented technology. So they have the Appasamy injector there. The only thing is you need to be a push type. You have to be a little careful. Always in any injector for that matter. Centering is okay.
It's nicely seen, Dr. Mohan Rajan, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Dr. Mohan, we are using this lens. This is really good lens.
You used it, no, Satanshu?
Yeah. Yeah, we are using lens. It's really good lens. It gives very good depth of focus.
Yeah, actually, when I started using Vivity, the Alcon Vivity lens, that has also got a central zone like this, but it is not so obvious. You can see the central zone, which is about 1.4 millimeter, which works for the near vision mainly. So this is a central zone, but no rings at all in this lens. That makes it even better because not only the range of vision, all the patients are very comfortable for both the distance, intermediate and near vision as well. We can make one eye a little myopic, maybe 0.5 or something like that, so that they have the good near vision even at the 35-40 centimeters. Always make sure that you remove the viscoelastic from behind the lens. can see there's a Purkinje images, always make sure it is centered in the central part of the optic. The rexis is quite good. The Pancho rexis enables you to make the rexis whatever size you want. Otherwise, if you are doing the double rexis or the, you might have to make a smaller rexis and then expand it into bigger rexis. Yeah. Okay, that's the end of the surgery.
Thank you, Doctor. Thanks, Dr. Mohan. This is really asked me. I watchful to watch your surgery. It is right for a watchful surgery.
This is a very swollen up lens. If you see the OCT preoperatively, there are a lot of vacuoles both in front as well as behind, and a swollen up lens. So if you touch and do the regular rexis technique, most probably you would have got an Argentina flag sign.
Dr. Mohan, you have used the photo probe to make the first opening in the capsule. But
Yeah,
what you
I
are
went
doing-
bevel down, you saw that. I
Yeah.
also made sure that I removed the viscoelastic and make sure that there is nothing, the probe, that is the tip, comes in direct contact with the capsule. Then you give the punch. And you have to go all the way down, just like going all the way down on an accelerator in the car. Yeah, ma.
Dr. Mohan, but you have made the opening by phaco probe, but we are making opening with the 20 gauge needle. That is more controlled in the, if the person is not expert like you.
No. If you make it in the 20 gauge, the problem is you are decompressing only the front compartment of the eye. You're not doing it in the back compartment at all. Okay. I will close down this case and I'll answer your questions because Sujata has to start the
We ask the
phakic IOL, RIL.